Making a slime by reading your mind. First, choose a color, red or blue. Yes, that's the prettiest shade of blue. Now to mix that in and activate the slime. Definitely my least favorite part. Okay, now choose a slime texture. Snowfish or butter slime. Great choice, I love butter slime, it's so soft. Wow, the slime's already looking so good. It reminds me of the beach or the sky. Okay, now it's time to choose some sprinkles. Pick one, left or right. Oh my god, that's gonna look perfect with it. It looks so dreamy. Choose one, frog or axolotl. Yes, axolotls are so cute. Oh my god, this is my dream slime. Is this what you wanted? Comment down below how many I got right.